guys! Happy Friday to everyone! And we are going out today. We're gonna pick up some... What we're gonna pick up, Bella?
Some hamster toys and some bird toys.
Yes, we're gonna get some our bird
Okay.
toy for chirp.
Okay.
What is it, for biting? And hamster. And we have to go to Ikea to pick up something. And at the last, we're gonna get a Jollibee. And what else more? We're gonna get a new ring for Isabella.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get a new ring for her. So it's gonna be a busy day for us. We're gonna do it's gonna be a whole day out. So we're gonna be whole day outside. So what? Yes. So see you then.
So we have actually 3 pets. We have a hamster and we have a bird and we have a fish.
Yes.
Fish. And I'm not sure if my mama gonna. She might eat the fish. Might eat.
Yes. So now it's gonna be a busy day for us. So we will go in multiple places. And
Sometimes Ginger will get a little excited about me coming.
yes. See you then. So ugly.
I know.
Handsome. Pila?
Look what's down. What's that one with it?
Wow, you're handsome. Where are we, Isabella? We are in...
Ikea.
Kira? Ikea.
Ikea. It's something. Stones. Stones.
They want to show them for a
I want.
Come here, let's go. I like this bed. I like this bed. I hung you there. Spiky. That's for the clothes.
Improvise, then improvise.
Ay, nako, why? We already have improvised at home, right?
She can eat that way.
Huh?
She can eat.
So, Bella, what is that? Bed? Ochi. You get this? So, we get one of this. Just one is enough, no? Yeah, just get one. One candle. And you need something, no? Ha?
Dad.
You sure that you want a big size? Get one smaller.
What is it, Isabella? A kitchen. Why you're jumping there? Come na. It's not allowed. Come here. Not allowed. What is that, Isabella?
I just saw myself.
Where? I think this is a sofa bed. It's a sofa bed. Come na, go. Stand up. Stand. Ada is taking some chairs.
Look, that was spiky.
Isabella! I like this table. Nice, no?
And Mama,
Yes.
I saw a
Huh.
beanbag.
You saw? We'll buy somewhere else, not here.
Zoom.
This is all white design, beautiful. I really like those things, Bo. Divider, that one. Where we could put Bella's stuff. This is a nice sliding wardrobe. Ah, but so heavy, yeah. It's nice, huh? That's for, I think, for underwear.
It's not heavy.
Not heavy? This is a nice one, Isabella. It's a nice. Hi, there's no divider or something. Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing there?
Just covered it.
This is a nice wardrobe. All white. Oh, this is so nice. It's pokey. It's a Lego chair. Careful. Not pokey. Nice. Come na. It's here. It's
Look at it. Look at it.
Isabella, what is this? Kerry, Kerry. Here only na. See, there was a fish.
दो पिलू में हैगी हैं ਨਾਲ ਦੋ ਪਿਲੂ ਨੇ
That is the one for the cockatiel.
thermometer
That is the toy bo
Look up there.
for the bird.
इधर
And we don't know for
Mama,
the...
look, you see that one?
Yes.
For hamster.
like this
Colorful but very noisy.
This is hamster's food.
चल जाए
Wait.
वो नंबर 4
I want rabbit.
You have to wait. You have to wait. Beautiful rabbit there. Not now. We don't have a space in the house. Wait, man.
45
Who will go? Ginger.
45 right
I like this flappy one. This is a flappy
This one?
rabbit. Yes.
This is one rabbit.
Oh, they have a small bird here also. See? Oh, they are both together inside.
I like the pink one.
Whoa,
I like the pink one.
they're
Very
living
cute.
together with the rabbit. See? Pink one.
I like the
Hamster's food.
इसके अंदर बैठते हो या क्या ऐसा नहीं नहीं ऐसा बाहर बैठेगा ऐसा ऐसा होता है प्लेट खेलेगा
So guys, we've reached home and it's quite a long day today and we are all both tired and it's quite late as well. So I hope you like this video and please subscribe if you haven't yet and I'll see you to our next one. Bye and good night.